Alright, so you probably have toys like this laying around, like fidget toys like this, but there's something special about having like an actual homemade fidget toy. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 2x2 Rubik's Cube out of paper. Alright, you need a pack of Post-it notes. Get a piece of Post-it notes, fold it in half, unfold it, and then fold the other two sides to the center fold that you just made. So, like demonstrated in this video, the actual clip is like 2 minutes long, and I don't want people to click off, so yeah, it's sped up a little bit. But yeah, make sure you crease it and make it accurate, not like mine, to make it better. Because the more accurate it is, the easier it is going to be on you. Now, make sure you take the left side and fold that corner into that, like, fold closest to the side, like demonstrated in the video. Yeah, and now fold the sides to the center, fold again, like that. And this part, yeah, just fold it so that it looks like there's triangles along the piece that you already made. So it's, yeah. So yeah, basically it's gonna look like that now. And you open up one side and then tuck the thing underneath. I like showing the video. Feel free to go back just in case, but yeah, so it's showing the video. Yeah, like that. Okay, so yeah, you have it like that, and then you just fold the two back sides like that, and you're done. So yeah, that's how it looks like, and yeah. Alright, so you're gonna need to make 6 of these cubes, 6 of these side things to make one cube, but these cubes are really, really rigid, and in general, they're just really, really nice. They're not gonna break. And yeah, this is like overall the best design for a cube out of paper. They're just really, really rugged, and you don't even need tape to assemble them. So yeah, basically how you put them together is you take this side flap and you slide it into the center flap of one of these. I don't have another one of these things made. I just have the cubes made. But yeah, so basically you slide them together and then you slowly form the entire cube. And yeah, that's how you make one cube. And then, so yeah, once you have all 8 cubes assembled, here is how to turn them into the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Alright, here's how to put the 2 cubes together. So you need to grab 2 completed cubes, and you're going to need some string. Okay, so look at the string and cut about this much off or so. Scissors. Okay, here it is. Okay, now put them at an angle like this. It's better to grab 2 other completed ones and just make these form a square. So you're gonna know exactly how to do it, but you don't need to. You just don't need to. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. Grab your tape. Get some transparent tape. And now grab a piece about this big and tape it this way. And then do that for the other side. And yeah. Now do that the other way. There, so now it will go like this. Alright, so yeah, feel free to add them a little bit closer to the side if you want. So they're just like a little bit more smoother turns, but you don't have to. I'm gonna be doing this, but you don't have to, so yeah, just keep that in mind. It'll be smoother if you do this. And then just tape the excess away here and there. And then do that for the other side. And then cut away the excess. All right, so just put in the last two. All right, there are the two things. And now put this one there. And yeah, you're basically done. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It actually works. And yeah.